And hello guys, today and I get new mods showcase, and today we're called some security craft. You can download link below, and I'm agent now with this briefcase, and today I will showing you in the briefcase, and I get security camera and some password chess, and I will gonna just type a password. I want 8811. Save and continue, and you can use in the keyboard 8811, and just go and get all this in the chest, and it's protected. And this briefcase, I will gonna show you the things in here. This is 8811, and click this. First, you have doing some taser. This taser gonna just slow all the enemies that like something in here, a salad. And let's get outside. Time set 0, and there we go. Some a salad like that, and oops, wait a minute. Just taste, and it's gonna just little bit slow, like that. Slowly, and you can click any you want taste, and there. And the second one is 881. Second one is wire cutter, and in here I got build some in here, some security, and this is, you can break this at survival, and so many explode in here because in the mine. And there we go. And this is my briefcase. I will gonna show you my key card here, and you can rename that with anvil. I'm gonna just rename this with this AD Master XX security card, and there we go. I get this AD Master XX security card, and just click this in there. And if you want go in here, it's gonna alarm. Yes. And in here you need some harming module. Wait a minute. Whitelist to add there. Okay, and module the master XX. What? Oh well. Okay. Module add AD Master XX. You must be holding your. Oh, okay. Module add AD master XX. There we go. And you can what? Wait a minute. I'm the owner. Oh well. And second, we have some wire cutters. Here's wire. I mean, yeah, wire cutter to break this like that. And you no longer to get that. That's only break the laser. Oops. And if you want to get again, you will need this like that. Again. Wait a minute. Excuse me. And we get some in here. We get some camera monitor, and you want right click this and you're gonna write this on camera to get this. And first one, this is my one, and WASD to move around like that, and you can up and you can do with the night vision. I will time set night like that. And wait a minute, and you can click N to night vision and click again to non vision to end vision. And I gonna just get over shift to, and I get these two in my outside shift, and that's all. And we got some in here, some cage trap. You need some mobs, island zombie into easy times. Oops. Times set to 0, and I will get this cage trap and get the zombie in there and go. And what? Oh well, I gonna do like here. I gonna do like that. You gotta trap it. And in here I get some security password, and this is 2516 like that. And if you want, you need some code breaker. Oops. And you need code breaker to break that. And this too. There we go. And guys, bye. Subscribe.